God flows, then blessing overflows. Yes, the river of God is flowing, blessings will overflow. Welcome to my vlog. I am your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlida Bing, Basilio Bindon, live and alive, in SM Ikulan, Davao City. Okay, for this afternoon, or rather it's almost night time, 6 o'clock, let me share to you the words of wisdom. I repeat, where the river of God flows, then blessing overflows. Yeah, just like this. Okay, let us witness the flowing water. Where there is water, there is blessings. Okay, I love the sound of the water flowing, the clear water. This is it. Okay, the jar, from the jar, with the plants surrounded by amazing green, robust plants. Okay, that's it. I love these plants, but I don't have space anymore where to plant that one. So it's a garden in SM Ikulan. There's a garden. But let us go back again to the flowing water. Amazing. Amazing. Wow. I need to capture this one. Spectacular. Okay, I would like to share to you my day in Davao City. Can you hear the flowing water? Yes. Oh, there are persons, there are shoppers. I think the coins. Yeah, these are coins. They're putting coins. Will I put also mine? Is this a wishing fountain or what's this? Okay. Am I allowed to put my coins here? I do not know. But I have seen coins. There are coins. The guards might not like what I will be doing. But those are coins. Isn't it? Okay, so as many times in my vlog, I keep on repeating that I disagree. Yeah, I disagree that stress is the #1 killer. Why? Yes, it's not stress, the #1 killer. My words of wisdom, my principle is this one. Stress, what happened? That is stress. That is only 10% that happened. But the 90% is your reaction. Yeah, how you feedback. How you feedback on those events, especially of negative events. So if there is something not good, that's only 10%. You react positively. Yeah, positive vibes. So these are the lessons that I have learned in my experience, in my ups and downs in my life. So as the water is flowing, there is hope. As the water, God overflows. You can just imagine the amazing creation of God, the water. And according to one Buddhist expert, the secret of long life will always start with water. Yeah, how you use water, how you drink water will determine your wellness. Yes, just like these ideas that was shared by a Buddhist expert, that early in the morning you should drink water, lukewarm, and there should be an interval of 15 to 30 minutes. Then you're going to take again fruits, but not pineapple. Yeah, not pineapple, because there are cases that will lead to digestive trouble, or even you will lose your life. Yeah, if you will you will eat this pineapple or the piña without any food inside your stomach. So I do not recommend the pineapple. Just use or eat that after eating. But all the other fruits okay. So going back to the water. So this is it. Let's capture more moments of the overflowing water. Okay, this is it. Amidst the wonderful flowers, yeah, glowing flowers. Sharing you with this. So how I wish I will have also these flowers, but no more time to take good care of this, in as much as I would like to just go to the mall, shopping center, and looking for places that especially places that are really known as the beauty spot. Yeah, here in Davao, there's many. So finally, the sound of water. Wow. You forget your challenges in life. Just watching on this fountain, on this water, where the river of God flows, then blessing overflows. Blessing overtakes. Remember that. Words of wisdom for today. Water is the #1 secret to our long life, to our home. How and when to drink water. So it's like it. So I'm your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, the Singer Dawn, live and alive here in Annex SM Mall, Davao City, just in front of Kenny Roger Roasters and Celera Cabalin. But I don't have budget for this type of food, and besides, I am choosing now wellness dietary intake. So this is my day in Davao City, which is the water, the overflowing blessings here in SM Lanang. SM Ikulan, not Lanang. SM Ikulan, Davao City. Flowers. Around so many yeah, Tongyan plus okay, many restaurants there, but I don't have budget. I will just go home for my dinner. I'm just here walking, exercising here in SM Ikulan, Davao City. We have also the blue boiling and the hukad. I was once a customer of hukad. Nice food also. So many people are there just sitting. You are tired already of walking, so you just take your seat there. Kuya J restaurant for my eyes only. I'm looking for the decoration here. In this part, usually there are decoration, but no more beauty spot for picture. But this time, it's nowhere. It was replaced by this, how do you call this one? Other vendors, like that one. Pulsiras, Iloilo. Okay, I do not know what's the other item. What are these items, ma'am? Huh? No. I will just have a glimpse, ma'am, ha? actually. So how much is one?
599.
599.
Ang boy, tapos yung girl is 699.
For those who would like to buy, please come now in SM Ecolan Annex here. Okay. This is it. And other Lucky Charms. Do you believe in Lucky Charms? Yeah. So this is my picture, my coverage a day in Davao City. Just having my my information here like this. Ano ma ito, ma'am? What ano ito, ma'am? What are
Yes, ma'am. 3 days, ma'am. Oh, dahil, ma'am.
hindi, I would just like to ask.
Yes,
What's
ma'am.
this? Malunggay?
Malunggay, ma'am. May mga pure malunggay, pure turmeric.
This one. So, how much malunggay?
450, ma'am, per
turmeric.
bottle. Pero ito siya, ma'am, yung mix ng turmeric with ginger and honey is 420 lang, ma'am.
And this one package?
Itong package, ma'am, instead 18, 17 na lang, ma'am.
17. I'm just sabi muna may window shopping. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay lang.
Try it, ma'am.
Where's the malunggay?
Walang malunggay, ma'am. Bale, ano lang siya? Turmeric sa labat, ma'am.
Where is that sa
3
labat?
days, yan, ma'am. Lahat,
Yan,
ma'am.
yan. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, mama. So, okay lang. Even though I will not buy for now.
Sige, ma'am.
So, this is it. May libre daw dito. So, let's try. Sa labat, no?
Yes po, ma'am. Turmeric with ginger and honey. Sa labat. Masarap yun, ma'am.
Wow.
Sa uric acid.
Yeah, I love it.
High blood, mga mataas ang cholesterol, pag-cholesterol.
Okay, so what are you waiting for? Come now to SM Ecolan here in Annex. Okay, this is how much, ma'am?
420, ma'am.
420. Okay, no senior discount.
400 na lang, ma'am.
400.
Yes, ma'am.
So, I will have muna this one. Ilibre muna, mama.
Sige, ma'am.
Sige. Your name, shout out. Mag-white channel tayo, ma'am.
Sarah.
Sarah Ironimo. Sarah Duterte. May idol ko yun. Okay. Paano yung ma'am? And mag-white channel. Erlinda Bing Basilio Rendon. Okay. Pwede mo friend afterwards.
Sige, ma'am.
Sige. So, this is it. I'm promoting
Turmeric.
with
ginger and
ginger, honey. I love honey also and salabat. Salabat. Of course,
Yes,
salabat.
ma'am, salabat.
Salabat
Yes,
is the ginger.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Try it. Try
honey.
it. Yeah, with honey.
Hi, ma'am. Turmeric here.
Come now. So, I have to end my vlog, my day in Davao City. Just sharing words of wisdom. Don't forget, God is good all the time. If there's no picture or video, it did not happen. If what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing. Yes, that's it. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. I am good vlogger, retired teacher, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rendon. Follow me on my Facebook account, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rendon, and my other account, Erlinda Hernandez Basilio. I will have to consume, mama. Just one mine. So, also follow me my reels and my Facebook, my YouTube, Abuhay channel, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rendon. Live and alive. What's the name of your?
Kind Ventures, ma'am.
Okay.
Kind Ventures Wellness Product.
Yeah, Kind Ventures Wellness Products.
Ito, ma'am.
Okay.
Kind Ventures.
So come now and look for Ma'am on Kind Ventures Wellness Products. Okay. Look for Ma'am
Sarah.
Ma'am Sarah. Okay, that's Ma'am Sarah. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, magandang tao. Buhay, a day in SM, Ecolan, Davao City. Signing off, Ma'am Darna, Mama Buhay, Ma'am Selfie Queen, Vlogger of the Century. Mabuhay ka, mabuhayers. Until my next vlog. Teacher, retired teacher, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rendon. Signing off. Thank you, ka mabuhay. And mabuhayers. Mabuhay until my next vlog.